unblinking beauty in this 1979 exposition scene is actress Jane Badler, who will soon appear as Diana aboard the Visitors New York Mothership in 1983.
You have both male and female in your crew.
Yes, of course. Oh, this is Diana, our second in command.
Your girlfriend. You gave her more close-ups than me.
Hello. Hello.
Diana's in charge of all of the scientific aspects of our mission.
Cryogenic, supercooled, for maximum efficiency in storage. Well, now, you also mentioned living quarters for the crew. How many are there on each ship? It varies, several thousand. Can we talk to some of them?
Of course you can, Christine. You'll have plenty of opportunity for that.
In this episode of Fantasy Island, Badler takes the lead in explaining a scenario that oddly parallels events that would begin 20-plus years later on Little St. James, U.S. Virgin Islands, better known as Epstein's Island. See for yourself.
Where am I? How did I get here?
You were brought here on the wings of angels, just like the rest of us.
What are you talking about? Our host, the handsome and charming Michael DeVoe. You see, what happened to you happened to all of us here.
Champagne? He did a number on it.
What we're trying to say is that all of us here are prisoners in this house. His prisoners.
I don't understand.
We perform services for the men he brings here.
Most of them old, all of them very rich.
Believe it. Good morning, Julie. And how are you feeling? All right, girls. Well, I assume the other girls have told you why you're here.
They told me.
Well, I'm Madame Janot. For the lack of a better way of expressing it, I'm the house mother here.
Wait a minute, Rourke. You have no authority on this island.
I take any authority I choose when the safety of my guest is concerned. I suspected his activities, but now with you and these other ladies to testify against him, I'll see that you never get out of prison. These officers were assigned to me by the Governor General of this island, and they have total authority.
White slavery and prostitution are not allowed on any island.
Gentlemen.